Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'll be doing for you a creamy mushroom tagliatelle. So here I have my mushrooms, I have some prawns which is nice and deveined, onions, pancetta, some nice parmesan cheese, my double cream, some olives, and sun-dried tomato. And this is my tagliatelle that I'll be using. I just buy the Tesco brand one, but it's all good. Don't want to be paying for names on a bag. Guys, let's start the cooking. So I've had my small wok on there, and the first thing I'll be adding inside the wok, I'll be adding my pancetta inside. And normally when I'm doing pancetta, I don't really add oil to it. I let it own oil comes from it. So as you can see guys, the oil is coming in and in there. I didn't need to add any oil to it. So now guys, as you can see, our pancetta is nicely done. So we're just going to go straight in with the prawns. And guys, when you're cooking this, if you use the same pancetta that I use, there's no need to add salt whatsoever, because pancetta are very salty. Pancetta is part of the bacon family, so it's very salty. And now's the time you'd want to add your mushrooms. This is going to be one delicious meal. So guys, now you're just going to cover down and leave it there for approximately 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes guys, we're just going to go straight in with the onions. And the reason why I didn't want the onions to be crispy, so that's why I'm adding the onions at this time. We're going to go in with our sun-dried tomatoes. Go in with our olives. And some jalapeno peppers. Give it a good stir, and then you're going to leave it again for another 5 minutes. So now it's time guys to put our cream in. So reduce the heat to low, and then we just add our cream. And as I said before, I'm using double cream. You want to give it a stir and leave it there. Then we're going to add our parmesan cheese, and you can add as much as you want or as less as you want. Combine it together. And this is going to be one delicious meal. So we're just going to leave it on low heat for 5 minutes, and then we're going to cook our pasta separately. So guys, look at that rich creamy sauce. And if you notice guys, I did not add no other seasoning whatsoever, because with the sun-dried tomato, with the olives, with the pancetta, and those jalapeno, gives it all the flavor you desire in a tagliatelle recipe. You can see how the cream bubbling up around the edge. So guys, it's now time to add our tagliatelle. I think I'm getting the name of this thing wrong, but anyway guys, you know what I mean. I'm sure I'll get the spelling right, but the pronunciation wrong. So let's just give this a good stir. Try to get it evenly combined. Look at that guys, look at the creaminess. Guys, look at this, nice and evenly combined guys. So it's time for service time. So that's a close-up view of my tagliatelle, and this can be done for Christmas, as I said before. Thank you guys for watching, and as I said, my channel is as mine just as much as yours. You guys give me any feedback, any constructive feedback. I'm ready to listen. Someone called me the other day and gave me a feedback, and it was well taken. I like to be criticized, because you won't grow unless you get feedback on what you're doing. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye bye.